Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Naomi, and today we will cook pork sauerkraut buns. Prepare the ingredients. First, let's make the dough. Put on 300 g all-purpose white flour in pots. Add 3 g yeast and 4 g sugar into 160 ml of warm water. Stir well. Sugar and warm water can help to speed up fermentation. The water temperature should be at 14 degrees. If the water temperature is too high, it might kill the yeast. Add a small amount of yeast mixed with water to the flour. Stir the flour while adding yeast until the flour starts to stick. Shape the flour into a big ball with your hands, then knead the dough. In the beginning, it will be hard to knead. The dough surface is not smooth at this time. All you need is to cover the dough with a ball and let it sit for 5 minutes. It will let flour fully absorb the water and make the dough smooth and easy to knead. Take out the dough. Knead some more to let the air out. There are 2 ways to knead the dough. The first method is to knead the dough with your wrist, from the inside out while rotating the dough. Knead the dough once and turn the dough once. This method can quickly make the dough smooth and even, but it requires some skill and is more labor-intensive. The second method is to use both hands to knead the dough. Use your wrist to press the dough and knead it from the inside out. Keep doing it for 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it is not as tiring, it will take a longer time. When the surface of the dough becomes smooth and elastic to touch, leave the dough to rest in a warm place until it rises to twice the original size. I usually use the oven to speed up fermentation. Adjust the temperature to about 14 degrees. It's best to seal the ball of dough with plastic wrap during fermentation to prevent the surface of the dough from drying out. Let's make the filling. First, soak the green onion, ginger, and peppercorns in 80 ml of boiling water and then let it sit until cooked. Next, take 315 g of pork belly. Cut into small pieces and chop. You can also use a food processor to mince the meat. Wash 500 g sauerkraut with clean water. Squeeze to let the excess liquid out. And cut into larger pieces. Set aside. Next, add a spoonful of salt. Half a spoon of 5 spicy powder, half a spoon of white pepper, half a spoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Stir well. Then add the soaked green onion, ginger, pepper, and some water to the meat. Mixing well. Add 14 g chopped green onion and sauerkraut to mix the filling evenly. Knead the dough once more. Divide into 10 equally sized balls. Roll it into a medium thick wrapper with a thin edge. The dough and fillings in my recipe are for 10 buns, so divide the fillings into 10 portions. Put the wrapper in one hand and put the filling into the center of the wrapper. Press it to spread evenly. Then gently fix the bun with your thumb. Then punch the edge of the dough with your other hand. Gently pull up and press to form wrinkles. While pressing the edge, turn the other hand slowly and use your thumb to push into the bun. Put paper line under the wrapped buns. You can also use baking paper cut into small pieces. Leave some gaps between the buns to prevent them from sticking together after steaming. Add cold water to the pot and place the basket inside. Cover the lid and let the buns rest. It will take 15 minutes. After the buns are fermented, cover the pot. Turn on the high heat until steam emerges and then steam for 20 minutes. Don't open the lid immediately after you cook the buns. Inside, let them rest for 5 minutes to prevent the buns from retracting. Now, our delicious buns are ready. Thank you for watching. And if you like my recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode of Naomi's Kitchen. Bye bye!